Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We will check how fast it works, and also if it is reliable, so just take a look. I think that we are going to make from 5 to 10 tries, and after that we can easily say how it works. So the first I will try that if I'm sitting in a good position. As you can see, it unlocks the phone. So yeah, I'm sitting in a good position, so let's make the 5 tries. So as you can see, right now it's reliable, it works every time, and it's pretty fast, I can say. But to be honest, it's not that fast as the fingerprint sensor on the smartphone. So if you are looking for the fastest unlock method, definitely it will be the fingerprint sensor that you can find on the back of the smartphone. So as you can see, it works really nice, but just take a look how the fingerprint sensor works. I put finger and it unlocks immediately the phone. So it's really good sensor, and yeah, that's how the sensor works, and that's how of course the face unlock works on the smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.